This video is courtesy of BrainyBuyer.com, your shortcut to smarter shopping. If these deep dive comparisons help you pick the perfect gear, show some love with a quick subscribe. So we're looking at two Weber grills, right? The Traveler B0 B9 V9H8XZ and the Spirit E-310 B0098HR1 FI. First impression, the Traveler is much more portable.
Yeah, definitely. The Traveler is only 32 pounds, designed to fit in a car trunk. The Spirit E-310 weighs almost 117 pounds. It's more of a stay-at-home grill.
Right. Dimensions-wise, the Traveler is smaller overall, but the Spirit E-310 boasts a larger cooking surface, 529 square inches versus... I don't see the exact cooking area for the Traveler, but it says it fits 15 burgers.
Okay, so the Spirit is better if you're cooking for a bigger group. It also has 3 burners, compared to the Traveler's single burner, so it probably gives you more control over the heat.
True. The Traveler has 12,000 BTUs of heating power, but the Spirit doesn't specify its BTU. But 3 burners likely mean more total heat output and more even cooking.
And the Spirit E-310 has porcelain enameled cast iron cooking grates. The Traveler just says porcelain coated steel. Cast iron is better at retaining heat.
Good point. The Spirit also has tool hooks and a grease management system, which are nice. The Traveler has those too, plus a side table. They both have built-in thermometers.
Price-wise, the Traveler is $449, and the Spirit E-310 is $619. So you are paying more for the larger size and features.
It really comes down to what you need. The Traveler is awesome for camping, tailgating, or small patios, and it looks easy to store.
Exactly. But if you're serious about grilling at home, especially for larger groups, the Spirit E-310 seems like the better choice. And it's made in the USA, while the Traveler is made in China.
Okay, so the Spirit E-310 is more expensive, less portable, but has more cooking space, and better heat control, and better material, and is more heavy-duty. The Traveler is more portable and easier to store. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.